SGPDA sewage issues are under control. The estimates have been done. I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister. He has agreed to immediately approve the tenders of the estimate. Because at the end of the day, he is chairman of the sewage corporation. So he has assured he will get that. We will get that done. We are moving.
Then
Collector issue will be solved also. Collector issue will be solved. So I am slightly distracted with Olgo. But we will resolve this issue. This job scam, as we call it, is difficult. These type of issues are created. There need not be any truth in them. I am giving you an example. She may not be willing to come forward and speak because of fear that she may lose her job. But this is the truth. So it is very easy for everyone to shout. I was a minister during my earlier tenure. I think I must have given around 1,200 jobs. But I am willing to throw a challenge and request anybody who has given me a paisa to please come forward and expose me. Because I haven't taken a paisa. Having said that, I have examples where people have taken money in mining. And I have called them and I have told them, return that money. Or else I will take action against you. And they've returned the money.